If you want to hard reset by using the recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then you will need to prepare the USB cable and we will need to connect our smartphone to a computer. However, before we do that, we need to turn off our device. So we can press and hold the power button and let's power off our smartphone. Now let's wait for the device to be completely turned off, shut down, and usually when it is off, you will feel a vibration. Once it is done, you want to plug in the USB cable and connect your smartphone with the computer. Then press and hold power button and volume up button. However, you might need to wait for the charging information to show up. If you started pressing both of these buttons and this charging icon shows, then wait for this to appear. So once we have this, we can, like I said, press and hold both buttons, the power button and volume up. And once you see the Samsung logo, release the power button but keep holding volume up. By doing so, we will open the recovery mode. And there we go. Now, in order to reset your device, we need to scroll down by using volume down button, and we need to find wipe data/factory reset. If needed, you can also go up by using volume up, of course, and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. And after that, scroll down and choose factory data reset, and once again confirm with the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.